People think of making money. They like to make money seem like it's really difficult to make. It is actually not difficult to make. The reason why it's not difficult to make money is because the more ideas you have, if you have these ideas and you're able to execute on them, and especially if you have someone like me telling you guys and teaching you guys how to make money, I mean, I know what it takes to make over $100,000. I've already made over $100,000 in my life and way more than that. So today we're going to talk about how to make $100 every single day if you're broke. Now, if you're working a regular job, and let's go ahead and let's talk about what these kind of jobs can be. You could be working a part-time job, and you probably make what, less than a K a month or so, or you're barely doing over a K. Now, if you're doing $100 every single day for a whole month, that's about $3,000. So just so you guys can see, $100 times 30, about $3,000 a month. If you're working a regular job and you're only getting paid like $11 to $12 an hour, you're probably only making around $2,200 or so. But either way, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make $100 a day working from home, doing absolutely nothing, probably working about an hour a day, as to opposed to going to a job and working 8-hour shifts for 5 days straight. Could be 6 days straight, depends on what you're doing. So in the previous video, I showed off my first ever Nintendo. Now, it's cool because you're able to, and especially if you have a job, it's even better because you're going to have some startup capital as well. You're able to go on apps, and when you're using these different apps, you can go ahead and find cool stuff like, for this is OfferUp. This is a sales app that you guys can use. LetGo as well. Let's see if this is going to load really quick. LetGo. LetGo is a really, really good sales app you guys can use. And what you're going to want to do is this. You're going to want to go on these apps. And if you know a lot about cars, you know a lot about rims, you know a lot about MacBooks or iPhones, or for me, an example, I know a lot about retro gaming systems. You already know what these cost. And you already know that when people post on there, they could either be collectors, they could either be someone doing the same thing that we're doing, flipping and making money through e-commerce. Basically, e-commerce is anything that involves an online business, online sales. So we're technically doing e-commerce as well. So when we know the value of this, and I know exactly where this stands, where I can buy, and I know exactly what I can sell it to, and I know my profit margins. So, for example, some people, they'll sell Supreme, they can sell Jordans, they can sell shirts, and those people, they know what their product costs. They know a good dollar amount that they can get their product at in order to be able to sell it. So what I would suggest for you guys to do is go on LetGo, go on OfferUp, or go on the Facebook Marketplace, look for some stuff that you're interested in. You can even search it in the search bar, and then try to negotiate on it. Try to get the price that you want. Try to get the price that you know that if you buy it, you can easily sell it and make X amount of money. If you do that, and you can run like 2 or 3 deals a day, and you have $30 to $50 profit margin, you're gonna make over $100 a day, which is $3,000 a month. And the best part about it is you're getting paid in all cash, and you don't even have to show up to work. So your first month, if you're doing this, and you can make about $3,000, then what does it let you know? I mean, by a month of experience and a month of doing this, you should be able to quit your job by this month or next month. All right, guys.